Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to talk about changing oil and an oil filter on my riding lawnmower. On this 42-inch bad boy riding lawnmower, we've got a Kohler 5400 series engine. This is the drain line from the engine right there, and we'll follow that down right to here. And I've already loosened this up, so it hopefully will come fairly easy. And there we go. We ran this all last year and didn't change it in the fall, so it's springtime and I'm gonna drain this, and it looks like it needs it pretty bad actually. And we'll be putting the oil in after we let it drain. Okay, we got the oil out. Let's get the cap back on. Okay, so we also got an oil filter on here we're gonna have to take off and change. And we've got a wrench here, we can loosen it up. Let's see if I can get it by hand. Got a little bucket underneath it. And there we go. Okay. So I've got the new oil filter, and I've filled it up with some oil and then put a little bit of oil around the gasket. Now we're gonna put this back into place there. It goes on the same way it came off. You just screw that on. And then you want to give it about 2/3 of a turn and tighten that up. You don't want to tighten it with any kind of tool, just hand tight. And we've already capped off the oil drain, and so now we're just going to add some oil. Okay, so we've got the oil dipstick here, and we're going to take that out. And this engine takes about 2 quarts. So we're going to put that funnel there, and we'll get some oil in there. By the way, this is 10W30 oil recommended. And we got 1 quart in there. And let's just see where we stand with the dipstick, see how much is in there, just to let you know. So yeah, so we're about almost there. So we'll put some more in. Again, it's 10W30. And I'm going to check the dipstick again, just to see where we're at. And that's showing full right there. Let's wipe that off again. We didn't quite take out 2 quarts. That's the only reason I'm checking. Yeah, and it definitely says do not overfill. So I think we're good. I think we're good with 1.5 quarts. Well, we've got the oil and the oil filter changed on the lawnmower. Remember, always take your used oil and dispose of it properly. Usually the place where you purchase it, they can handle that for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or a like. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching.